Right, here we go then with another one. First hike for a month. Usually do every other Sunday, but first one for a month. So here we go. Hope Bowdler Hill in Shropshire. Let's do it. Yep, so Hope Bowdler Hill today in the Shropshire area of outstanding natural beauty, and it's 1,398 feet. Wind's picking up a bit already, so let's see how we go. Well, let's get ascending. That's the summit of Hope Bowdler Hill. I'm going to attempt the drone, but not sure. I'll give it a go. It's pretty windy, to be fair. So that's Hope Bowdler Hill. Peace. So there's the two highest points in Shropshire. That's Brown-Clee Hill and Titterston Clee over there. And in the far distance there, in the middle of the screen, you've got the Wrekin. And that one over there in the middle is Caer Caradoc. Yeah, so the wind's died down a bit now, terrible at the top. But some of our research the other day, and I found out that Hope Bowdler Hill and a lot of other peaks around Shropshire, they're known as humps, H-U-M-P, and that means a 100-metre peak, a hump. Right, the old geology fact of the day then. Uriconium rock, which is a kind of igneous volcanic rock for Hope Bowdler Hill, and that's true of most of the peaks around Shropshire. Time check, 3 miles in. It's a 7-miler, this one is. So they're known as Gaerstones, G-A-E-R, Gaerstones. It's basically a natural volcanic outcrop, Gaerstone. Oh, that's a nice place for lunch then, I think. The salt path. Good film that is. God bless your mum. God bless your dad. God bless these men. World War One. Rest in peace, boy. God bless you. Yes, I believe it or not, Shropshire used to be located around the equator around 400 million years ago. Oh, let's get ascending again. Yeah, so you would have seen I left a stone at the summit today on Hope Bowdler Hill, and that one was for Mike Shuttleworth. So rest in peace to you, Mike. Passed away from dementia, same as my mum, and it's a good friend of mine, Ian's dad. So yeah, God bless you, Mike, that was for you. Yeah, so that one to the left as you come up the trail is Caer Caradoc, and then the one there to the right is the Hope Bowdler Hill. You're often confused, or they say they're the same sometimes on if you Google it, but they're actually different peaks. Hope Bowdler Hill is the one on the right. Time check, coming up to 7 miles. Hope Bowdler Hill. So remember, if you do this trail just off the lay-by, nice little vending up there, you want to spend some money. Very nice. So I only managed to squeeze in on the end. I got here at 10, like I always say, try and get here before 9:30, 9 o'clock really if you can. I got the last space I did. 7.32 miles. Superb. That's it then, I'm all wrapped up with another one. That was Hope Bowdler Hill. So see you next time, guys. Peace. Good for dieting, don't take up much room.